So you've downloaded the Tor browser thinking you're now completely anonymous online. But hold on. Just because you're using Tor doesn't mean you're invisible. In fact, there are some common mistakes people make that can totally expose their identity. Let's break down the 5 biggest mistakes you need to avoid when using Tor. The whole point of using Tor is to stay anonymous, but if you log into your Gmail, Facebook, or any account tied to your real identity, you immediately break that anonymity. Your IP might be hidden, but the moment you log in, those platforms know exactly who you are. Never use personal accounts on Tor. Create burner accounts if absolutely necessary. Downloading a file and opening it on your computer can leak your real IP address. PDFs, Word documents, and other file types can have embedded tracking scripts. If you must download something, open it in a completely isolated, offline environment, like a virtual machine. By default, Tor tries to block most scripts, but if you allow JavaScript, websites can exploit browser vulnerabilities to reveal your real IP address. This is a common method used in de-anonymization attacks. Solution: set Tor's security level to safest to disable JavaScript completely. If you visit the same sites you normally use or reuse usernames and passwords, you're creating patterns that can be linked to your identity. Adversaries can use traffic correlation attacks to match your Tor activity to your regular online behavior. Change your habits, use different usernames, avoid visiting personal or work-related sites, and mix up your activity. In some countries, ISPs or governments block Tor usage by detecting Tor network traffic. If you don't use Tor bridges or pluggable transports, your ISP can tell you're using Tor, even if they can't see what you're doing. Always enable bridges if you live in a region with internet censorship. So there you have it. The 5 biggest mistakes people make while using Tor. Are you guilty of any of these? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, Tor is a powerful tool, but only if you use it correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips and online privacy guides. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you next time.